Good afternoon all. Last day we have learnt about skewness. Skewness is a measure of asymmetry. So if the distribution curve has a longer tail to right, then it is said to be skewed to right or positively skewed. If the distribution curve is moved to left, then it is called left skewed or negatively skewed. The expression for skewness is mean minus mod by standard deviation, or 3 into mean minus median by standard deviation. Also, we have learned about the quartile coefficient of skewness and the percentile coefficient of skewness. Today, we have the moment coefficient of skewness has to be learned. Moment coefficient of skewness. An important measure of skewness uses the third moment about the mean expressed in the dimensionless form and is given by moment coefficient of skewness A3 is equal to M3 by S3 cube, which is equal to M3. We know that the standard deviation is square root of M2 the whole cube. So which is equal to M3 by, we could write this as M2 cube, square root of M2 cube. So the problem is find the moment of coefficient of skewness for the following distribution. Height in inches 60 to 62, frequency is 5, 63 to 65, frequency 18, 66 to 68, frequency 42, 69 to 71, frequency 27, 72 to 74, frequency 8. Now to find the solution, we have to find the second moment and third moment. For that we could find fu square and fu cube or x cube. നമ്മൾ യു എടുക്കാണ്ട് ചെയ്യുവാണെങ്കിൽ നേരെ എക്സ് ക്യൂബാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ യു എടുത്തിട്ടുള്ള ആണ് ചെയ്യണത്. സോ എക്സ് ഈക്വൽ ടു കോഡിംഗ് മെത്തേഡാണ് ചെയ്യണത്. എക്സ് ഈക്വൽ ടു അതിൻ്റെ മിഡിൽ പോയിൻ്റ് 61, 64, 67, 70, 73. The corresponding frequencies 5, 18, 42, 27, 8 and the total is 100. So with the middle value of x is taken as a. So u is equal to x minus a by c. So the middle value is 0. Top of that minus 1, minus 2. Bottom of that 1, 2. Top of 0. So fu is equal to 5 into minus 2, minus 10, 18 into minus 1, minus 18, 42 into 0, 0, 27 into 1, 27, 8 into 2, 16. Now fu square, fu into u, minus 10 into minus 2, 20, minus 18 into minus 1, 18, 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 27, 27, 2 into 16, 32. Now fu cube is equal to fu square into u, 20 into minus 2, minus 40, 18 into minus 1, minus 18, 0 into 0, 0, 27 into 1, 27, 32 into 2, 64. So the total is 33. Now the formula m1 dash is equal to c into sigma fu by capital N, which is equal to 3 into 15 by fu is sigma fu is 15. 15 by 100, which is equal to 0.45. M2 dash is equal to c square into sigma fu square by n, which is equal to c square is 3 square 9, sigma fu square is 97 by 100, so which is 873 by 100, which is equal to 8.73. Now m3 dash is equal to c cube sigma fu cube by n. C is 3 cube is 27, sigma fu cube is 33 by 100, so we had 91 by 100, which is equal to 8.91. Thus we have we know the formula for the m1. m1 is equal to 0, m2 is equal to m2 dash minus m1 dash square, which is equal to 8.73 minus 0.45 square, which is equal to 8.5275. Now m3 equal to m3 dash minus 3 m1 dash m2 dash plus 2 m1 dash cube. So this is the substitute the value of m3 dash, which is equal to 8.91, 3 into m1 dash is 0.45 into m2 dash 8.73 plus 2 into 0.45 all cube, which is equal to 8.91 minus 11.7855 plus 0.18225, which is equal to minus 2.69325. Now, hence, the moment coefficient of skewness is equal to A3 is equal to M3, that we got the value as 2.69325 by square root of M2 cube, which is equal to 24.9, which is equal to minus 0.108. Now, next problem, find the moment of coefficient of skewness for the following distribution. Class 0 to 10, frequency is 12, 10 to 20, frequency 18, 20 to 30, frequency 27, 30 to 40, frequency 20, 40 to 50, frequency 17, 50 to 60, frequency 6. So we have x is equal to 5. The middle values 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. And f is equal to the frequency of corresponding frequencies 12, 18, 27, 20, 17 and 6. So sigma f is equal to 100. Now we are again using coding method. So we have to find the middle value of this. Two middle values. Let's take 25 as a. So u is equal to x minus a by 10. The difference between 15 and 5. So this is 0. Next top of that minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2 and 3. Fu is equal to minus 24, minus 18, 0, 20, 34, 18. So Fu is equal to 30. Fu square 48, 18, 0, 20, 68, 54. Total is equal to 208. Fu cube minus 96, minus 18, 0, 20, 136, 162. So total is equal to 204. So m1 dash is equal to c into sigma fu by n, which is equal to c is equal to 10, fu is equal to 30 by 100, which is equal to 3. m2 dash c square sigma fu square by n, 100, c is equal to 10, so 10 square is 100 into sigma fu square we got 208 by 100, so the value is 208. Now m3 dash equal to c cube sigma fu cube by n, which is equal to 10 cube, 1000 into 204 by 100, which is equal to 2040. Thus m1 equal to 0, m2 equal to m2 dash minus m1 dash square, which is equal to 208 minus 3 square, which is equal to 199. And m3 is equal to m3 dash minus 3 m1 dash m2 dash plus 2 m1 dash cube, which is equal to 2040 minus 3 into 3 into 208 plus 2 into 3 cube, which is equal to 2040 minus 1872. This value 3 into 3 into 208 plus 2 into 3 cube, 54 is equal to 228. Therefore, moment coefficient of skewness is equal to m3 by square root of m2 cube, which is equal to 222 divided by 2807.24, which is equal to 0.79. Now you have a problem to be worked out. As an exercise, consider the following distribution. Class is given as 0 to 10. The corresponding frequency is 2. 10 to 20 frequency is 3. 20 to 30 frequency is 1. 30 to 40 frequency is 5. 40 to 50 frequency is 2. Find the moment coefficient of skewness. So that for that you have to find x. X will be, for the first term, this will be x is 5. For the next 10 class, the x is 15, and for the class 20, 30, the x value of x is 25. Here it's 35, 30 to 40, and for 40 to 50, the x is 45. And the next line column is for frequency. Now you have to take the middle value of 20, 30, 25 as a. So you can find u. Next column is fu square, fu cube, and find m1 dash, m2 dash, m3 dash. And next you have to find using the formula m1, m2 and m3 and substitute in the given problem, given expression for moment of skewness, moment coefficient of skewness.